chose a niche. Awesome. But what now? Here are the first steps you need to take after picking your baking niche so you can build momentum without feeling stuck. Step 1. List 10 video ideas fast. Don't overthink. Just write down 10 simple video ideas based on your niche. For example, if your niche is easy bread baking, ideas like 3-ingredient bread, how to knead dough, or sourdough for beginners are all great starters. Your goal is to get moving, not get it perfect. Step 2. Pick a style that matches you. Will you show your hands, stay fully faceless, use voiceover, or just text? Pick a format you can repeat. Comfort builds consistency. Don't worry about quality in the beginning. Just pick a doable style and refine later. Step 3. Set a simple schedule. Upload once a week or 2 videos per week, whatever you can stick to. Consistency matters more than speed. Even short videos can make an impact if they're clear, helpful, and niche focused. If you need help planning your videos, I made a free PDF with 101 baking niches to give you inspiration and direction. The link is in the description. You can also check out my baking channel to see how I apply all this in real life. I've used vidIQ since day 1 of my channel. It's helped me figure out what's working and what's not. You can try it too. Link in the